Looking for the ultimate drill and impact driver combo kit? Today, we're comparing three heavy hitters in the cordless tool world: the DeWalt DCK240Z220 Max, the Makita CT225R18VT LXT, and the Milwaukee 269122 M18. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, one of these kits could be your go-to power tool upgrade. First up is the DeWalt DCK240Z220 Max Drill and Impact Combo Kit. This kit includes a 1/2-inch drill driver and a 1/4-inch impact driver, both powered by DeWalt's reliable 20-volt Max battery system. Right out of the box, the DeWalt tools feel sturdy and compact. The drill delivers 300 unit watts out of power, while the impact driver can hit up to 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. Plenty of muscle for most household and job site tasks. Pros of the DeWalt kit include its lightweight design, making it easy to use in tight spaces or overhead. The batteries charge quickly and last surprisingly long, and the included LED lights are a helpful touch. DeWalt's grip design is also widely praised. It's comfortable, secure, and minimizes hand fatigue. But no tool is perfect. The downsides: some users say the chuck on the drill can occasionally slip during heavy-duty drilling, and while the tools are compact, they might not pack enough punch for more intense applications like masonry or heavy metal fastening. Now let's compare it to the Makita CT225R18VT LXT combo kit. This kit includes a 1/2-inch driver drill and a 1/4-inch impact driver, both part of Makita's well-regarded LXT line. The brushless motors offer superior efficiency and runtime compared to brushed models. Plus, Makita includes two 2.0 Ah batteries and a rapid charger, making recharging fast and convenient. The Makita drill boasts a max torque of 480 inch-pounds, and the impact driver delivers up to 1,460 inch-pounds of torque, slightly stronger than the DeWalt kit. Makita's build quality is excellent, and the tools are balanced and smooth in operation. The battery gauge is a welcome bonus, letting you see exactly how much juice is left. However, the Makita kit does come at a higher price point, and although it's powerful, some find the drill a bit bulky, especially when working in narrow or confined spaces. The included carrying bag also feels a little flimsy compared to DeWalt's sturdier kit bag. Last up is the Milwaukee 269122 M18 Cordless Combo Kit. This set includes an M18 1/2-inch compact drill and a 1/4-inch hex impact driver. Milwaukee tools are known for their power, and this combo doesn't disappoint. The drill hits 400 inch-pounds of torque, while the impact driver cranks out an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds. Both tools use Milwaukee's red lithium batteries, which offer solid performance and long run times. Milwaukee's standout feature is its rugged durability. These tools feel built to last, with strong casings and excellent internal components. The fuel gauge on the batteries is also helpful, and the variable speed triggers give great control over the tool's output. The downsides: the Milwaukee kit is the heaviest of the three, which could be an issue for prolonged use. The drill is also a bit longer than its DeWalt and Makita counterparts, which may affect maneuverability. Additionally, the battery charging time is a bit slower than Makita's rapid charger. So what's the bottom line? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and lightweight combo for everyday tasks, the DeWalt DCK240C2 is a great pick. If you want slightly more power, longer runtime, and premium features, the Makita CT225R is worth the extra investment. And if rugged durability and raw torque are your priorities, the Milwaukee 2691-22 delivers solid job site performance with a trusted name. Each kit has its strengths. It all comes down to what matters most to you: price, power, or portability.